I've had this idea for a while to do a challenge where I kill a bison with a .22 Plinkington rifle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first check whether I can kill a bison with something slightly stronger. Hey Moosey Moose, how's your day been? Doing alright? Good to hear. I'm thinking if I get really close to it, I might be able to penetrate like a lung, maybe, which will be great. It probably won't penetrate. I don't even know if it'll hit. Oh well. Hello bison, your day has come. Just from the side, get as close as possible before it turns. Shoot! 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 Oh my god, I put 5 or 6 bullets into it. Oh thank god it's stuck. Oh my god, it's dead! Was that 6 hits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I missed one of them. Not a single one penetrated through. Oh, he's small. Shit, he didn't die. Impressive. Oh my god, he's still running. The fuck did I shoot him? There we go. This one's slightly better. See? Look, if I saw that and I didn't bring this rifle with me, I would have cried. Because that's a nice moose. Oh, let's do super duper brain kill.
Headshot.
Okay.
Double kill.
Oh no! How big is that guy? Oh my god, he's a fucking monster! Oh, but I want the bison! Oh, but I want the moose! Oh, but I want to kill the bison with the Plinkington! I'm gonna shoot this bad boy. Ah, these bison are gonna go right for him. Oi! Oi, bison! Oh, he's facing me. Okay. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it, bitch. Oh my god, I missed! I missed so many times! Oh, I hit it. Oh, I hit it again. Oh man. Oh, this is going crazy! It's a bison massacre! Fuck! Oh, I hit it again. I think. Lay down. Lay down. I can't fucking see it. Oh my god! Oh, I thought it died. No! I was just about to shoot, you bastard. Okay. Ooh. He's on the floor. He ain't dead, but he's fucking about to be. I doubt I'll be able to penetrate. Alright, let's get as close as humanly possible. Right. Like literally as close as I can. Like I'll climb inside and I'll shoot him. Did I even shoot him? Oh my god! He's dead. A disqualified, possibly over 120 scoring bison. Disqualified. Oh, it doesn't even tell me. Holy shit, how many times did I hit him? 14. 1.2 meters still doesn't penetrate. So it is possible. It is. I thought it would take about 20 shots. Definitely. I didn't think he would die that quick. So if anyone ever looks up killing a bison with the .22 rifle, there it is. Yeah, another moose. shaking. Die, bitch. Yeah, please roll down. Oh, he's not gonna roll down.